Welcome back. If you go to the right side menu, you're going to see that there are three additional writing tools. The first is called reading level. This is where you can take your document and you can specify the reading level that you want for your written content. You can click on this element and you can pull the book down if you want the reading level to be lower. If you want to raise the reading level, you can lift the book on the scale. Once you decide on what level that you want, you can then click on the arrow. And what will happen is ChatGPT will take your document and it will make it so that it rises or falls to the level that you want it to be in terms of grade level. And so what you'll be able to do is you'll be able to watch ChatGPT in real time change the grade level of your document. You will notice at the top, if you don't like the revision, you can go back to the previous version by clicking on the undo button. You can also click on this link that shows the changes that have been made to your document. And of course, if you like the changes that are made, you can keep them and copy the entire document into your word processing software. Once again, on the left side menu, ChatGPT does keep track of all of the changes that are made. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.